how to enable or disable Grammarly quick toggle to turn it on or off from the notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on install apps. Then tap on Grammarly writing assistant. And then tap on settings. Next, tap on quick toggle. Now you can see here when I tap on the toggle button, it will turn on or turn off Grammarly in the notification area. So here if I switch it off, I cannot access Grammarly in notifications, but if I turn it on, I can pull down the notifications to quickly turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on the shortcut in notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.